guys, this is Proto Apex Customs. Behind me here we have a 2016 Ford Mustang GT. This car is actually a 1200 horsepower capable car. It's got a fully built engine, forged rods, pistons, crank, full headwork. It's got a Pro Charger that's capable of 30 pounds of boost. The car currently is a full E85 ethanol car. We just went through the transmission, did a bunch of billet parts. You know, the transmission's capable now of 800 horsepower. We did all the clutches, billet shafts, all the known components that are, you know, weak. Also, another thing that we did on this car was the torque converter, which the torque converter actually allows this thing to spool up quicker. We did front sway bar, front and rear sway bars. It's got a full 3-inch exhaust, duals, full engine management system, full fuel system, capable of 1200 horsepower as well. So yeah, this thing is pretty much ready to go and hit the track. Hopefully the owner enjoys it, you know, and doesn't rack up too many speeding tickets.